USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends as well if they are into trading. And below the video we have some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So this is for newbies. In case you don't want to get into manual trading and learn everything on your own, then check out the first link, come to this page here and you can see how you can make money with some automation by using a software, by using a robot as well. Okay, so go and check out this thing if you're a newbie and interested into doing automated trading using a bot. Second link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are connected with my Telegram channel. So go and join for free. Third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Click on that link, come to this page here. And if you want to trade with the world's best firm, then click here and pass the challenge and they will give you enough money, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, whatever you want. Okay, if you have the time, if you have the talent, the skill to pass the test, you're good to go in this firm. It's a genuine one. But if you have your own money to invest, then you can go and sign up with any of these brokers if you want and add your money and start trading after you have created your account successfully. Okay, so go and check out these links. And coming back here to the USDCAD daily chart. Before that, I have a disclaimer. My videos are for educational purposes only and I don't take any responsibility for your profits and losses. That's the disclaimer I have to say. And also my videos are not for short-term entry signal. For example, if you're a scalper doing 5 minutes or 15 minutes trading, so I will not give you any entry signals for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but you can use my analysis for long-term trend and then you can position yourself accordingly. Okay. So starting with the top-down approach, starting with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have been down. Okay, so you can see we have crossed the EMS weekly when the downtrend. But if you notice here, we have a long wick. Okay, so it went all the way till here. But this week, 21st of April, which we started yesterday, we have a long wick, which means that it might not be able to sustain in the downtrend. It might push up. Okay, so weekly we are in the downtrend, but we have a long wick, which means we possibly might be taking a pullback. Okay, in daily, what we have now, in daily, you can see clearly here we are in a downtrend, but last couple of days, as you can see, we have a long wick, we have long hammer, which means we are going up, hopefully. Okay, like a pullback. Okay, so in daily, you can see on 21st of April, we had a long wick and a hammer candle, and even today it looks like it will end up as a hammer. Okay, so in daily, we are not going any down further. And we are having the hammer candles in daily chart in USDCAD. What to see in 4 hour? In 4 hour, let's see, previous high is broken. Okay, so previous high, this previous high is broken by this previous high. So previous high is broken in the 4 hour chart, which also means that we might go for a pullback. Is it the uptrend? No, I'm not saying it's an uptrend. Weekly is down, daily is down. Okay, even 4 hour is down, so it's not a downtrend, but surely it can be a pullback. Okay, so am I going to enter short into USDCAD right now? Absolutely no, not me as a swing trader. No, what I will do is I will use my Fibonacci and I'll draw my Fibonacci here and I will wait for the pullback. So it might come until here 38% or maybe 50% in daily chart, and then again we have a red confirmation candle. After that I will enter. Okay, so in this case I will take my entry signal from daily chart. Okay, I'll use my Fibonacci retracement here, wait for the pullback. After the pullback, wait for the red confirmation candle and then enter and then take your 1:2 ratio and you're good to go. So are we going to take any trades this week in USDCAD? I don't think so. Maybe on Friday, Thursday, we'll see. Okay, maybe we'll see how it goes on Friday. But yes, we have to wait for the pullback. So if you are the short-term trader, you can trade the pullback as well if you want to, but if you're a long-term trader, don't trade against the trend. The trend is down, wait for the pullback, then the confirmation red candle, and then enter, take your 1:2 ratio, 300 pips and walk away. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and join my Telegram, check out these brokers, and I'll see you in my next video analysis shortly. Till then, take care.